Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Aminikoi Beauty. If it's your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. And to my subscribers, I said thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks for the love on my last post. I'm so grateful. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments, thanks for the subscriptions. I'm so grateful. And thanks for the referral, so thanks for sharing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. And I know I have not been consistent. I've not been posting. I've not posted anything after my first introduction video, and I'm so sorry about that, guys. I had too many things to do at all the while, so that's why I've not been able to post. And I know it shouldn't be an excuse. I shouldn't delay in posting, but I'm really sorry. Please bear with me, and I promise to be better. And I hope this is going to be as interesting as I've wanted, and I want it to be interesting for every one of us. So guys, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transformed my whole wig into a new one. So guys, I had this wig used to be a jet black shade, so I transformed it into this copper honey brown shade, as you can see. And so guys, if you're interested in seeing how I transformed this wig, if you're interested in seeing how I color this wig, please stay glued and watch the process. So guys, I've been making use of these tools right here, making use of this product too in coloring my hair. So this is the developer I'll be using. It's 12% 40 volume, and also this. So I have Sinus Blondie Hair Lightener. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. That's the bleach I'll be using. And I'll be using this hair dye, Hadoro hair dye in honey brown, to like tone down the brighter shade. It gives me like a blonde shade. If it's too bright, I'll use this product to like tone it down, so as to give me the honey brown vibe. So next up, I'll be using this bowl and mixing the hair dye. Set of combs, I'll be making use of some of it. That's my razor in cutting the extra hairs I have in front of my lace frontal. It doesn't want to pop out. So I'll be using tweezers to pick my hair, the edges of my frontal wig, to give it more natural look. And also I'll be using clips to hold down my wig when I'm styling it. Brush sets. The brush set comes with the bowl and mixing the bleach and the developer. Also, most importantly, you need gloves. You just do not want to get the bleach on your hands because it's going to burn your hands. You don't want to get the bleach on your skin, so it's very advisable to use gloves. And please do not mind my gloves. They are really ugly looking. I know. I already used them in coloring a hair black, so that's why it leaves it with this ugly look. OMG, guys, you won't believe what just happened. So I went to my camera to check what the video looked like, and you won't believe it was not recording. I was really shocked, but I'm sorry guys. So let me just brief you what I did. Basically, I just mixed, because I already formed the paste already, and I didn't know the video wasn't recorded. So all I did was I mixed a generous amount of the developer and the bleach. I'm just going to show you a sample. So I poured a generous amount of the bleach like so, and then I added the developer, like generous amount of the developer, so as to form this paste that I have on, as you can see. So I'm just mixing, nothing serious, just mix till you get this consistency that I have rather. So just keep mixing to form this consistency. I just don't want it so thick, so just keep mixing till you're satisfied. As for me, this is what I want. I don't want it so thick, so I'm
fine with this consistency. You can mix it the way you want. I just believe this should be fine. So I'm just going in with the brush and then spreading through my wig. Just keep spreading through, just lightly from the bottom, from the tip rather. So there's a concept I'm looking at. I want it to have this mixed blonde vibe, like blonde, honey brown, and then I want a bit of the jet black in it, honey brown and then blonde. So I'm just taking generous amount of the product and spreading through the wig. Nothing serious, just like so. I'm just spreading through till I'm like satisfied. This is like the back of the wig, and I'm just doing the process. That's me combing it, so I'm gonna flip over and do the same process. I'm gonna brush through the hair and continue to add the product like so. So I'll be adding more products. This is like the top of the wig, just to make it pop. So I'm adding more products and doing the same process. So I'm done adding the products. As you can see, that's like the last quantity in the bowl. So I'm spreading the last one onto the wig. So I won't be adding the products to the tip of the hair, like the edges, the front of the hair. So I won't be adding products there. I do not like this blondie, I do not like this blonde edge. So I'd love to have the natural edge. Like when I see wigs, I love the wigs with, like, it gives this ombre vibe, like lower brownish pattern and the top is black or brown. So that's how I like mine. So I'll be leaving it that way, and that's why I did not add the product to the top of the wig. So I'm just brushing through and massaging the product into the wig. And as you can see, guys, it's already turning blonde. I was so surprised when I saw it. It was so quick, so I just had to brush through quickly. So this is the final look. This is what I have, guys, and I'm so satisfied with the outcome. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to drop it in a polythene nylon, and I'm just going to wrap it up in there, and I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. So guys, I'll be making use of this Mamiya Organics leave-in conditioner and shampoo in washing the wig. I'll be right back, guys. Wow, this is the outcome, guys. I'm so proud of me. I really love this. So I'm just gonna blow dry and style it to my tastes.
So here comes the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you enjoyed it, do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up, comment to the comment section box down below, share, subscribe, turn on your notification post so as to see my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, guys. Kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.